Welcome to Rhino classroom. Today we give us the knowledge of toolbars. Let's start the video. This is the open option. This is the new page open option. If you click this option, then click the small object millimeter. Then you see the new page is open. This is the open file open option where you have any work or any file. If you want to do this file again, then you must click this option and open the page. This is the save option. If you have any work to save the file, then you click this option and give the name any type of name, then save it. This is the printout option, but we don't use this option. This is the cutout option, which actually used to cut and paste any type of work. This is copy to clipboard option. This is paste option. This is move option. After you click this option, you can move this page. This is the rotation option. As you see that after I click this option, the page is rotated. This is the zoom up option. This is the zoom up option. After click this, you zoom out and zoom in the page. Just select out which work. After click this, which part of the work you selected, it zoom out, zoom in. See, this is the full viewport. After you click this option, you see the 4 pages. I will do. See, this is the viewport option. This is the back top screen, the bottom screen, the right view, left view and right view screen, the front view, the 3D view. This is the 3D view where you rotate the work which you done. You rotate the work. This is the hide and option, hide and unhide option. See, after I do that, if I select it, then click this, the curve will hide. If I click the right of the mouse, then you see the curve is again show us. Now I delete it. This is the lock option, lock and unlock option. If you do this, any type of work you do, then click this option, select the curve and click this option. You can't do anything in this curve. See, nothing to do in this curve. After I click the unlock option by right click of the mouse, you see I do anything. This is the ring layer option. Wait, suppose I do this. I do this. Now I click the surface and change the layer. Click this. First select the surface and click here and click any type of color which you want. Then click the right click of the mouse and click the change object layer option. You see the surface was changed by the color. Again, if you want to change the color, which color you want, there have many colors. See, it's changed again. This is the change. This is the object properties where you can change the colors of the anything or any type of work. You can change the color. This is the shaded view. After the work was done, you can change the color, the view. This is the wireframe and shaded view. After you click the shaded view, you can see the color of the surface, and after click the right right click of the mouse, you can't see the surface color. See, left click, you can see the color. Right click, you can't see the color of the surface. So this is the render option. After the work, it was work for your work, any type like pendant, jhumka, ring, etc. This is the dimension, the length, vertical, the parameter, circle diameter parameter. I will show you how to work it. See, I can see now the diameter. It's 51.73. Okay, now if I do this, this is the dimension. This is in radius and this is in diameter. If you want the parameter of the surface or any type of any curve, you can click here and click there, and you can see. Do this, take a curve, then select the curve. Now see this. I end of the curve and start of the curve. Now you can see the parameter is 42.47. This is how to take a length and the parameter of. If you want a parameter, then click it. Now we give you all the knowledge of toolbars. See, if you take any option, then if you don't want that option to work now, then click the cancel option. This is the cancel option. If you work many types like this and this, like this. This is the point option. If you want to point out the work, then click this. As you can see, this take the end of the work. As you see, it's take the end of the your work. Now you can see the points. You can see here are our points. No, I delete it. This is the line curve, line toolbar, polyline toolbar. After I click, there was many type of lines like this. These 2 point of lines where the start and the end option is work. Click start point. Here is the end point. Now I delete it. This is the polyline. The start option you know, but The end option you don't know. After you click the right of your mouse, the option is done. The work option is done. Your polyline was ready. Like, take the option, click, 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 then right. If you want to do, then click your right of your mouse. The option was off. The option was not work. Again if you want that line, then right click of your mouse, then again it start. See, it's work. It's never end. It's never end. Still you can't. You don't click your right of your mouse. It's work. After you click the right of your mouse, then the option is over. The option don't work now. Now I select all and delete. This is the both side line. If
থ্যাংক ইউ দাদা। বলছে আমি বেয়ারিং থেকে আপনার ভিডিও দেখি। এটা কি তোমার ভিডিও তো না, এটা আমার বাংলা।
If you want to use this curve, you must select and enter 0. Now you see the both side of your curve. This work both side. See, this work both side. First take the curve, take this tool, 0 enter, 0 enter, anywhere. If you want to do here, then anywhere of the page. Now this is the curve tool. As you see the name of the tool, curve. Now let's do. It's specially used to draw your sketch, JPG, design, anything which you want. After you select this option, you draw your JPG, your work, anything you want to draw. See, it's specially used to draw your JPG, any work, everything. This is the smooth, this is the curve. JPG বের করে নিচ্ছি। Now I take the bitmap option. See the background bitmap. Now I select this option. The PC was working now. You must wait. Again, it's not work, so I will show basic options. Now I take a JPG. a picture of any design, like this. Now see, I convert the JPG into my page. You must take it in top page of the screen. Now move it. Now I move it. Select the picture and 0 enter. See, now see the curve. This is the smooth option. How to draw a smooth picture. See, this is how to draw a smooth picture of the JPG. Now see. Now see. You can see the draw was very smooth. Again, if I do with this curve, it's not working very smooth. Like, see, it was not working very smooth. N- Now see guys, it was very smooth. It was it was very smooth, but this curve was not very smooth. See, so if you want to draw a smooth JPG or smooth curve, then use it. You must see that it was working very smooth. Now I delete all. Now take, this is the circle, the curve of circle option. If you want to draw a circle in center, then click this, 0 enter, and any type of diameter like 58 or 52. I take 48. Now see the diameter of the circle. See, 48. It was in radius option. If you I show you that, and this is the diameter option. This is the radius and this is the diameter option. So again I delete all and take this. This is the 2 point circle option. Start option here and end option where you want to end the circle, then click anywhere where you end the circle, then click here. Now see, this is the 2 point circle. Anywhere, click here and click there. See the 2 point. This is the 3 point circle. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 point of circles. This is the arc option. We don't use that option very much, but we use this option. See the start point, the end point. If you want to draw a markers or a pair, you must work with this option. See, this is the arc option. Rectangle curves. This option to draw a surface or a curve in square shape, like 0 enter. Any type of surface or any curve you want, you must click this. You can click this option and take this, 0 enter, 5 enter, 5, enter. See, this is the circle in center, the square is in center. Now I want the diameter of this curve. See, 5. This was 5 and this was also 5. See, if you want the same square size, then click this, which type of surface you want. 447, enter. 58, enter. See, this was 45, 47, and this was 58, must be. See, 58. So this curve was specially do for any type of surface or a box, ring, any type you want. You can do this. You must take this option and do. Now the curve tools. First I have to explode these curves. As you see, every curve was exploded. Each and every curve were exploded now. Now if I want to fill it, then I select the curves and take this option. First, second. You see the corner was fillet. The corner was take a dome shape. Again, if you want, I will show you. Take this option. First curve, second curve. See, it was turned into a dome shape. If you want a corner shape, then click this option. First, second. See, there was second curve in middle of this curve, those curve. There was secondary curve in those middle curve. This is the offset option. If you want to take a offset curve of your work, then select this. How much the radius or diameter you want, like 0.5. See, the point is going too small. If you want to 8, then it's take a big size. See, here was your second duplicate curve in this. After you click this option, you can take a second curve of your first curve copy, like this. 5, enter. You see, there was the second same curve, but the distance was changed. Now you have to make a surface first, like this. I make a surface and change the color. Now I change the color. I will show you already that how to change the color of your surface or of your work, any type. Now I take a duplicate curve here. Now I take a surface. Now I take a curve on surface. See, I offset the curve on this surface. First select the curve. Now take this option, offset, select paste option, offset distance, offset curve on surface. Now select the surface and enter the number, enter the diameter like 4.2. See, here was your copy of the curve, but it was in your surface. See, it's still in your surface. It was in your surface. The curve is on your surface. There is the rebuild option. First I take a curve. Now I select the curve and take this, the rebuild option. Now I give the points how much I want to take, like 8, enter. Now I show you the points. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 points are here. So this is the rebuild curve. This is the rebuild. You must also do the any type of surface. If you want to rebuild it, then click this option, select the surface and enter how much you want to rebuild, like 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 etc. 3 4 5 6. Okay, now I show you the points. See, there was 12 points, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. In the width there was 6 points, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in the length there was 12 curves, in the width there was 6 points. Now I delete all. This is the surface option. See, surface from 3 or 4 corner points. First this is make a simply, see, I make a simple surface in this screen. You can see this. See, see, this was make a surface. After click this option and take this tool. Now click 4 points anywhere like this. See, your surface was ready. I explore the curves. Now I select this option, 1 2 3, enter. See, the surface was ready. Select this click right click of your mouse, then select this option. Now click 1 2 3 and enter. See, your surface was ready. Again, if you want any other any shape like this, 1 2 3 4. Now explode it. This is the explode option. It was break all curves which were joined, See, if all curves were joined, this is the join option. This is the join option. Select all curves, and if you click this, see your all curves were joined again. If you again, if you want to explode and break all curves, then select the curves and explode. This is the explode option, and click this. See, your all curves were break. Your all curves were broke again. It was now a single curves. Now the option. Select this first click this option, the right click of your mouse, and select the tool 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it can't take more than 4 curves, so there was a problem. Again I do for you. Explode it. Delete this. Delete this. Now select this option, click it and select the tool. See, your surface was ready. Now I delete all. This option not much use in our work, so I do this specially to make a surface in a short time. See, this make a surface in a short time. Anywhere, any type of square surface. It's specially used to cut out any poly surface. So click this and select the tool. Now see, the surface was ready. Now I make a circle like point like 5 mm. Now I do this. Now if I select this option, this was a solid option. There was many options like both side. If you want the curve both side surface, then you click this. This is the cap option. If you don't want a cap in the surface upper side and lower side, then you click this. If you want, then click the yes option. If you don't want, then the no option. If you want to input the poly surface input side surface solid surface, if you don't want this, then click no. If you want, then click yes. See, as I click yes, then the cap option was no, so there was no caps. I do the both sides, so there was the both side. This is the input. I delete the input, so there was nothing in input side. Now I delete it. Again I do for you. See, again I do for you. Both side no, cap yes, input no. See, after I do this, the cap was here, both side cap was here, but the surface, the curve was in single side. The cap was already in this curve. It's patch already. It's packed the curve, the solid curve already, and it was never delete in input side. You see, this is a solid. This is your poly surface. It's called poly surface. Now this is the loft option. First I make a design like, see, and offset it. Now I offset the curve. See, to enter. Take this option, select 5. Why not take? There was a problem. So I copy it like this. Now I loft the curve. I select both of this. I select the curves and loft it. This is the loft option. You see, this is the loft option. Click OK or enter. See, it make a surface. It was make a surface. Now I delete all. I delete the surface. See, there was no surface in there. Now again I click this and loft it. See, now this is the network option. Network, you must to do this, this and this. Now I rebuild it. Sorry, this is the rebuild option. I rebuild it in 4. Again 4. I select the lines and now I click the point on option. This is the points on option where you can see the points. See, there was 4 points in every curves. You can see there was 4 points. Now I do this. 1, 2, 3. Now I take organics. See, this is the organic option, which now points up option. It is moved to upper side. The points. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not working too much. What happened? See, it's not working well, so I select those curves. Now I click this and do network. See, there was show you 2 alphabets in this work, A, B, C, D. Then now you click the OK option. See, it will also make a surface by select all curves. See, There was no edge. Now I delete the surface. Now delete it. Points on. It was not working. Wait, I take a arc. This again. This. And delete it. And take a arc option. I take a arc option and do this. What's the What's wrong with it, man? Okay. Sorry guys, there was a problem. Now I take our option, enable it, force, point on, it was not working. It was not working. Now see, first I select the curve, first curve, second curve, and now I select this curve and sweep to. One, two. See, two. I make a curve in the end of those curve. Now see, select those curve and now sweep to. See, this was also make to make a surface. Now I again delete the surface. This was sweep 1. Must select one curve and select this toolbar. See, first I select the curve, then sweep 1. This is the curve. See, this was also make a surface. To make a rail or surface, you must click this option. First select a curve, see, I select a curve, then I make a circle in the end point. Now I select the curve, select one rail. This was also called sweep 1. Now select the cross curve and do this. Okay, see, this was make a pipe. Now extend surface. First I make a surface. See, the square surface. Now I extend this like here. It was extend the surface. It make a larger surface. Again I extend the surface this side like this point to this point. See, the surface was extended. Again here, click here and here. See, it was extended. This toolbar's name extend surface. Extend surface. This is the fillet surface. So first I have to make two surface like this. One here, one. Now I rotate it, take copy option and now this. See, there was two surfaces. Now I fillet it. Now I fillet both surface. Enter. Again